Boato Pack is a regular exhibitor at Gulfood Manufacturing, and once again they couldn't miss this edition. The company is specialized in packaging lines for liquid powder products in the pharma, cosmetics, chemical and especially food sectors, with solutions well known all over the world for their speed, flexibility and precision. We're connected now with Pawel Czystaw, sales manager of the company, to find out more about their presence at the fair. Pawel, how are you preparing for Gulfood Manufacturing?
Well, Sonia, we are preparing as if we were getting ready for a party. Excited to meet all the new friends. Gulfood Manufacturing is a regular appointment in our calendar. It's a key opportunity to reconnect with our customers from Africa, the Middle East, Asia, to promote our brand, showcase who we are, and continue expanding our presence in this dynamic region, which has experienced significant growth in recent years.
Pawel, could you explain what sets Boato Pack apart from competitors?
Of course, competition varies widely. To give a meaningful answer, I'd first distinguish between European and non-European manufacturers. We clearly fall into the first category, which typically involves higher finished product cost and quality. This group mainly includes Italian, Spanish, and German companies, some mid to large-sized, others small to medium-sized. Mid to large-sized companies often have superior industrial capabilities and in-house know-how. They usually manage the entire process internally, from design to manufacturing, including the production of custom mechanical components. However, these companies often have a more distant relationship with customers, as it can be difficult to get in touch with actual decision makers.
And what about smaller players?
On the other hand, smaller companies usually offer a more direct and personal relationship with customers, but they often rely heavily on subcontractors, especially for custom mechanical parts, which can limit control over the production process.
So, how does Boato Pack positions itself to meet these different needs?
Boato Pack is in a unique position. We offer the best of both worlds: direct relationship with decision maker, full in-house management of the entire production cycle, from design to final assembly. 100% of the finished machine is made by Boato Pack. And last but not least, we will soon celebrate 70 years of activity, a milestone we're very proud of.
So, I want to thank Pawel Czystaw, Area Sales Manager of Boato Pack, for sharing with us this preview. And we look forward to meeting them at Gulfood Manufacturing 2025.
Absolutely, Sonia. It will be a pleasure to meet you again. And before Gulfood Manufacturing will be exhibiting at OPAC Indonesia in Jakarta from October 21 to 24. Looking forward to meet our Indonesian and Asian customers there. Thank you, Sonia, and editrice Zeus, and see you at Gulfood Manufacturing in Dubai.